Multiview drawings have been used for more than 100 years for the creation of parts, buildings, and roadways. Who comes up with the rules of drafting? The American National Standards Institute governs and manages the guidelines for drafting. ANSI does not itself develop American national standards. Rather, it facilitates development by establishing consensus among qualified groups. The key to success in creating multi-view drawings is visualizing the part and the 6 possible views that each part has. Visualizing the orthographic drawing views is an acquired skill. It takes practice to create a mental picture of how an object will look or interact with a mechanism. As a designer, there are 2 types of skills needed: the skill that takes a solid object and breaks it into multiple views, and the skill that takes the multiple views and brings them back into a single solid object. How can you improve your ability to visualize? Try working on the missing view projects that are at the end of Chapter 7 in your textbook. Or you can just pick up objects and imagine what the orthographic multi-view drawings would look like. Each object has 6 orthographic views that are possible: top, front, right and left sides, the back, and the bottom of the object. How many sides are really needed? With the 6 possible views, 3 of the views can be excluded from the drawing. The typical primary views are the top, front, and the right side images of the part. Each of the views also interacts with other views. The length, width, and height of the objects are translated between the drawings. Follow these 3 guidelines to select the side of the part that should be your front view. The first guideline is to choose the most descriptive side. The second guideline states that if 2 sides are equal in detail, then choose the longest side. The third guideline is to choose the side with the fewest hidden lines. In other words, surfaces that are not visible.